Hello my people. This na Stella Damasus and im husband wey dem dey call Daniel Ademonika. When dem say their marriage dem don scatter, or dem say dem don quietly scatter, say dem no dey marry again. Una know say people carry rumour some time ago. So the main thing wey be say e just come out be say true na true, according to one blogger wey dem dey call Gist Lover don come out today come talk say Stella and im husband say the reason why be say their marriage scatter be say Stella Damasus cheat on im husband wey be Daniel Ademonika. So as out of the shame na, because of say shame dey catch the man, na the man just quietly, two of them just quietly find their level, everybody waka in life. So na wetin dem talk be that o. Una know say my people, una know say Stella Damasus, dem say e snatch this Doris Simeon. He snatch Doris Simeon husband wey be Daniel Ademonika. So as he snatch am na, he come carry the husband, the Doris husband, two of them dey come, the only son wey be say Doris get, say na e collect am. Two of them come travel go USA. Na USA dem come dey stay o. Na there dem come dey stay o. Doris come just dey cry, dey say make dem give am im son, say make dem give am im son o. Say so Stella Damasus, the thing rain sotey na im dem come dey call Stella Damasus say im be husband snatcher. My country people, na know say this Stella Damasus na Nollywood actress wey be say na award-winning actress wey be say don win so many awards, and she sabi act well well. Here and this Daniel Ademonika na Nollywood film producer wey be say dey produce movie. Alright, so my people, the time wey be say this thing dey reign, say Stella Damasus and Daniel Ademonika dem dey friend, when the whole relationship just start, Stella debunk the whole stuff. He say two of them just be business partner, before you know, na marriage. You don hear say two of them don marry, before you know, the only son wey be say Doris Simeon get, dem carry am go USA. So a lot of people come just dey yab Stella Damasus say no, say this thing wey e do na bad thing, say e snatch person husband. So a lot of people come dey support Stella Damasus, say nothing like snatch, say Daniel no be toy wey be say dem dey snatch. How person go just snatch a whole full grown man? Say that kind of statement e no work. So according to wetin Stella talk, dem say Stella say e don snatch anybody husband. Say Daniel and Doris, dem no dey marry again before two of them, before im come in picture. Say so e no see reason why be say people go talk say im snatch im husband. Okay my people o, una know say this Stella Damasus, she bin don marry before. This Daniel na im be im third husband when e be say im dey marry. Third husband o. The first husband wey be say e marry, Abu Darin abi how dem dey call the man, na Yoruba man. That one na im take born dis im two children for. So the man come die. As the man come die, he come marry one Nzeribe. That Nzeribe, that two of their marriage no even reach, I no sure say e reach 6 months, that marriage. That one pack up before he come finally marry this Daniel, wey be say two of them come go USA go dey stay. Now report wey be say e reach us, wey be say na be me talk am o, na Gist-Lover, una go there, una go see the blog, una go see am. Na im talk say, na dem talk say Stella Damasus say he cheat on Simeon, sorry, not Simeon, on Daniel. Say he cheat on Daniel. This Daniel na im be dey marry Simeon, na im dey marry Doris Simeon before. Say so he cheat on am. Say as im catch am with another man, the way dem dey kerewa. Say so the thing break the Daniel heart well well. Say so they just quietly, say na in the quiet way na im dey do am, but na im people come dey mock Stella Damasus, say na im good for am. Say when he go scatter people home, say I ain't to say im go fit succeed in this marriage. Say na karma, na law of karma na im affect am so. Say when he dey do, say im be better person. say na im sabi take care of man well well. So tey come dey according to wetin dem talk, that dey talk or no be me dey talk, and na wetin dem talk na me I dey come touch light for here. According to wetin people talk, people say when im dey do sotey im carry Doris Simeon husband wey dem dey call Daniel, dey rub am for Doris face, sotey Doris put hand for head dey cry, say the one dey pain am pass na the pikin wey be say dem carry. That one pain am well well. E pain am o, honestly. I really pity this Doris for that aspect of that im pikin matter. No be say me I dey happy say he and im husband dey scatter, but the situation wey be say as dem no dey again, dem suppose to leave the pikin with Doris, but for where Simeon, abi how dem dey call am, Doris Simeon husband wey be Daniel, collect the pikin for im hand, the only son wey be say e born, carry am give Stella. Two of them shele go USA go dey marry. Now na the marriage na im dey say e don hit Aso Rock, don hit the rock now. So out of shame, Doris, out of shame, wetin dem dey call am, Stella Damasus no fit talk. Even Daniel no fit talk, because people go really laugh them well well. So na people wey be say dem dey dig gist, dem dey dig everything wey be say dem dey investigate. Na dem come go carry out this latest investigation wey dem come find out say true true, see wetin Stella Damasus do wey make the relationship scatter. My people, how una see this whole thing? Me, I just feel say marriage is not for Stella, because Stella now, this Daniel na be the third marriage, and for me, make Stella no just give marriage a try again, because the three marriage wey be say don marry, when e don marry, no one end well. No one end well. The first one, husband die. The second one, e no reach 6 months, abi e no reach 1 year. That one sef, the marriage no see the daylight. E no even last at all before e come marry this Doris Simeon husband. And this Doris Simeon husband, when he marry, the thing no just go down well. That thing when e be say do come, that name forever na don stain this Stella, because everybody come dey call am husband snatcher. Even people wey be say dem like am well well, some people no come like am again because of that thing. But one thing wey I go let una know be say I no believe say Stella actually snatch this Daniel from Doris hand. No be toy wey be say dem dey snatch. He and Doris, their marriage no work out. Everybody waka im own. Na Stella see the man, marry am. So as Stella don marry the man, now e come be like say im na im comot Doris for marriage. No be Stella comot Doris for marriage. Two of them, they don already dey get their own wahala. As they get their own wahala for the marriage no work out. Na the man carry im son waka. So as he meet Stella, two of them come they do things. Before you know, they come marry. So now the thing when he did there, be say the cocoa of this whole matter now be say, they say the thing wey be say make these two of them scatter for the marriage, when make the marriage pack up. That is this Stella and Daniel. Be say Stella cheat on Daniel. Now the story where be say Gistlover carry come. Now I say make I come touch light for here. My people, how una see am? If you be say you never subscribe to this channel, I beg make you be part of this channel. Thank you for my returning subscriber. God bless una. Una do. Una bye bye.